the West a thief, the West a thief. When the West a thief, the West a thief. The West thief with gold and the West steal with diamond. The West thief with oil and send soldier in our land to come guard. We own gold and we own diamond. The West thief, the West thief, the West thief. When them steal our resources and sell our resources, the West pocket the money and never send back the money come give black people. All they want to do is play big and play rich, as if they are the wealthy ones and black people, Africans and the Caribbean, we poor and we are beggy. Well, this is the day which the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. Black people are beggy. Black people are rich people. We have these resources to make us rich. So we just want the world to know black people are not beggy people. Black people no want no handout, no charity, because we have a amount of gold and diamond and oil. So right now, I just want the West to know all of your control is done. And if a war you want, bring it on. Because we're there waiting for you.